If you're searching for a good team collaboration and project management tool, then we have the solution for you, because Taskade is launching on PitchGround, and in today's video we're going to show you how that looks like. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you will come to a similar overview. And from here, you will also see most likely a get started with Taskade. And this is a fantastic way to get yourself familiar with all the different kinds of options and features that Taskade brings you. So if we take a look inside this list overview, you will see all the main topics along with all the tasks that you can just check once completed. This will also give you a good way to get yourself familiar with all the different kinds of features. So if you want to check the box when a task is complete, you can do so. As you can see here, you can just reorder things to your own liking. So we can check that off as well. If you want to fold or unfold tasks, you can easily do so by just going with this fold button. This is just one view that you can use to manage your project. Taskade comes with 4 more options to choose from. You can also display it inside of a board, which is pretty much a roadmap view, right? This is really easy to manage as well. You also have the actions view, and this is basically a minified version of the list, and it brings a better overview for some preferred users. One of the cool things about Taskade is you can turn your project into a mind map. By just pressing this button, you will now see, if I scroll out, you will have your entire mind map set up. So how cool is this, that you can turn any kind of list, any kind of project into an instant mind map? And this is a fantastic way to see it really visually. And you can also, if you want to set this as default, you can easily do so by just pressing the button, and you will see a star appearing. The last option that you can do is an organized chart. And then you will get to see it in a similar fashion as a mind map, but then in the hierarchy from top till bottom. If you want to add something new, you can just press plus add block. And from here, you can choose from any of the available options. And you can build your own list, your own project here. If you go back a step, as you can see, this is only one project, but you can create new projects on the fly as well. You can just create a new project by pressing the button, or you can also go and browse templates, so you do not have to go from scratch. If we take a look, you will have a lot of templates that you can choose from. As you can see here, meeting note, team review, a project scrum board, and you can also organize your categories. So if you want to go with team management, you will have the weekly team workflow, the daily stand-up board, weekly one-on-ones, review checklist. So if we want to do this one, we're going to select the workspace. As soon as the template has been imported, you can see all the different kinds of topics that you have. You can adjust them to your liking, and this also improves your workflow because you can just use this template over and over again, and it's just really easy to use. What you also can do is you can also add tags. And as you can see, we already have a few tags inside, but you can also create a new tag to your liking. This will allow you to search for specific projects or tasks really easy. If we go back to the main overview, you will see that you not only can create projects, but you can also create subspaces, which is fantastic because this allows you to set up different kinds of departments in your own business, but you can also set up a subspace for each of your clients, and you can then invite them inside the subspace. This will allow you to collaborate on the project together, and also the client will see exactly what is going on at all times. You can also chat with your team members. So if we take a look, toggle chat, you can see the entire history that has been done already, right? But you can also say we can upload files, we can mention other people, and we can also start a call directly inside this chat window. So this means that you can have meetings directly inside of Taskade. If we start a call, then we also have the ability to, we also have the ability to, as you can see here, enable your camera, and you can also enable backgrounds, and you can also share your screen, so you can hold meetings directly inside of Taskade instead of going to Zoom, instead of going to Google Meet, which is a fantastic add-on to this platform, of course. If somebody assigns projects to you, you can go to the Shared with Me tab, and this will allow you to see exactly what has been shared with you and what you have to do in order to complete your tasks. And you also have the Integrations tab, where you can set your calendar feed, but you can also sync your calendar with Google Calendar. So this is a really, really important feature to have as well, because this allows direct tasks to be added towards your calendar as well. So as you can see, Taskade is a fantastic platform that allows you to work with your team in a much more efficient way, have project management, also collaborate with your team through chat and even video calls. So you can have meetings directly inside of Taskade, do screen sharing with your clients, all inside of one platform. So be sure to grab your lifetime deal today. The link will be on top and in the video description, and give it a spin yourself. Take care and talk soon.